In the night of sleep, our Savior was betrayed. He broke the bread, and to his friends he said, "Take and eat, this is my body before you. Take and drink, this blood of me shed for you. Do this always to remember me." In the night in which our Savior was denied, he bowed his head and to the Father cried, "If it be your will, let this cup pass from me. If it be your will, spare me this agony. In my darkest hour will you remember me." Remember me. In the night in which my deepest thoughts are known, you come unto me, and I am not alone. When I taste your blood and body before me, when I hear your prayer in the Gethsemane, then I know you will remember me. Remember me, oh Lord, remember me. My people, what a joy to you. I offended you and sorry. Oh, as I look up to the cross on which he died. I can hear him say, "It is ended." I know, Christ is my Lord. I have come to know He died for me. I say good